chapter 1E, note names on a guitar, and I'm just going to show you what the note names are so that you can better understand what I'm talking about in this lesson. So first of all, we have the E string, we have the A string, the D string, the G string, the B string, and the high E string. I'll do that again. E, A, D, G, B, E. You can memorize it by going backwards. Every big grasshopper dances all evening. So with that, I'm going to show you just a few of the notes here. I'm not going to go way up here. Okay. Let's. So first of all, we have E. This is the top string. E, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, and then A. And this A right here on the 5th fret, that's actually the same A as the next string down. Okay? So next we're going to go to the 2nd string, the A string. This is A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, and then D. And this D, of course, is the same as the next string down. So we have D, we have D sharp or E flat, we have E, and this E is the same note as this next E, except it's 1 octave difference. So one is like a lower E, the low E string, and this is a higher E. And you'll notice, by the way, that there are 4 E's on this guitar. There's 1 low string, then there's this next one, then there's the very bottom string, and then if you go onto the 12th fret, which is 1 octave up, and that very string, then that is 4 E's. Anyways, so we have D, D sharp or E flat, and we have E, and then the whole thing starts again like it did down here. F sharp, G flat, and then this is G, same as this next string, G, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, A flat, or sorry, A sharp, B flat, B. But on this one, you'll notice that it's the 4th fret that is the same as the next string down, not the 5th, as with the other strings. So then we're going onto the 5th string, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp, E flat, E, and then that's the same as that next string down, E, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp, A flat, and then A. Thanks so much.